Hello. Just quickly coming to you to mention that my favorite could never live without products are on sale but about to end. So this is just your community service announcement. And my hot tip is, if you don't have OLC in like every single dispenser, this is by my kitchen sink. It's also in a pump like this in my shower. It's also in a pump like this by the bathroom basin. So I do everything from washing the fruit, the veggies, the herbs, the berries, all of those things. I just washed that because I had some for dinner, but I have bought punnets of blackberries today. They'll all get washed in it. Everything. All fruit, all veggies, always in OLC. I am about to start doing my dirty dishes. That's a less fun job, but it's there to be done after dinner. That will also be OLC. So as I say, I just have it here ready to rock and roll, turn the tap on, do a few dishes, and then I'll just